Hello again, my YouTubers. This is the second video for today of March 27, 2023. Yep. And right now the time is exactly at 6:15 p.m. But usually it gets dark at 6 something. But now it gets dark around 7:30 now. Well, this is what happens when it gain like an hour. And now here comes like this little video. I think there's a little camera over there. Here's how I'll show you. Something beeping. Yep. I don't know that they're gonna be here for that. And right now here's what they're doing right now. I see 2 bulldozers. Yep. They've been working on it since January 2nd of this year. Yep. Soon it's going to be the first 3 months when they started doing this. It looks so dark I don't see anybody in there. Yep. I think I see like one of the workers' a pickup truck. Yep. This is the first time in nearly weeks that I had to do this, the garage update video. Like at the last video I did was like video 60. Only for this project, yep. Well, back in January and February, I did some long length videos about this. Sometimes it takes like 10 or 15 minutes. Excuse me, lady, you're blocking the view. Yep. Who's beeping the horn? The weather looks so kind of a little nasty, but it was a little warm earlier, around like 11 or 12 o'clock, and then all of a sudden it started to rain. Give like a little close up over there. I don't know what they're doing. I think I see smoke or something. They're gonna put all those gold carts in there in the future. If I ever see them, they're gonna put it in there. Maybe after the race or maybe before the race. Sometimes in May. And let's hope it's not going to be hot as much as compared to last year. But last year's race, it was not hot enough, thank God. Or once it got hot like the week after, that's when I had to go to that Kielbasa Festival in Shenandoah. It was pretty hot at the time. Well, there you have it, folks. A little update of the garage on Laurel Boulevard, and I hope you enjoy this. And please comment or subscribe to ring the bell if you like this video or the other videos that I made. And you just take care. In the meantime, your cameraman Daniel's saying, "See you later. I'll keep you posted and updated. Later, folks, and I'll see you next time. Bye."